Hey guys, this is Jay. Today we're going to see how to create grungy style in the flyer in Photoshop. Before getting started, you can download all the files used in this tutorial. Link in the description. Download it, use it. If you got any doubt, let me know in the comment section. I'll help you. In case if you want that completely designed PSD file means, hit the like button. Soon after reaching 100 likes, I'll give you the download link. Fine, let's get started. First go to the project file you downloaded. There you will see a PSD file called flyer. Open the file inside Photoshop. This one is a design ready file. You can straight away start designing it. First we are going to create a solid color background. Go to color picker, select any color you want. It's not going to be issue. Fill the color. I'm going to use keyboard shortcut Alt backspace. We're going to use stock image as our background. So we're going to bring in our main stock image inside our canvas. For that, go to the project file, open the model image inside Photoshop. I'm going to use this one. Of course, you can use your model image. Drag and drop the image inside our canvas. I'll place the model image inside image folder. By enabling free transform tool, resize the image. Fine. Next, we are going to add a minimal effect. We are going to create solid color. I'm going to select color 6C9B40. Change the blending mode as darken. I'll reduce the opacity down to 40%. Fine, now we are done with the image part. Next we are going to add our flyer title and other text information. For that, go to the text folder, create a layer, go to color picker, select color EF4030. Now type in your text. Font I'm using is a free font. I'll give link in the description. You can download it. I'm going with size 84 points. Now type in your text. I'll create a duplicate copy. I'll reduce the size a little bit. Another copy. Fine. Next I'm going to change the blending mode of all the text layers to linear burn. Select the text layer, change it as linear burn. Now we will get this cool effect. Next I'm going to create a lines. For that, go to design folder, create a layer, go to color picker, select color FFDEAE. Now enable shapes tool, select line tool, make sure the weight is 4 pixels. By holding shift key, create a line. Then I'll create a duplicate copy, Ctrl J, I'll place it here. Next I'm going to type in my other text information. For that, go to the text folder, I'll reduce the size. I'm using very same color I use for the lines. I'll create another duplicate copy. Seems we need to adjust the line spacings. Fine. Next I'm going to add few more text layers. For that, create a layer, go to color picker, select color you want. So now we are done with our text layer. You might have noticed the bottom text part is not visible, so let's add a glow effect. For that, go to the image folder, create a layer, make sure the blending mode is screen. Now go to color picker, select orange color, something like this one. Now select soft round brush. Now give a single click here. Now our text looks much better. Next we are going to bring in social media icons. For that, go to the project file, open the icons PSD file. Now drag and drop the icons folder inside our canvas. Make sure the folder is placed right above text folder. I'll move the icons to bottom center. Let's change the icons color to black. For that, select the icons, double click the thumbnail, select the color you want. I'm going with black. Fine, now we are going to add grunge effect to our flyer. For that, go to the effects folder, create a layer, go to color picker and select any color you want. Not going to issue, fill the color. I'm using keyboard shortcut Alt backspace. Now reduce the fill down to 0%, right click, blending option, go to pattern overlay, make sure the blend mode is divide. I'll keep the opacity as 45%, select the first pattern, this one. I'll increase the scale down to, up to 245. Now we will get this cool effect. Next we're going to add a texture. For that, go to the project file, open the texture inside Photoshop, drag and drop the image inside our canvas. You can resize the image by enabling free transform tool. Now change the blending mode to multiply. If you want, you can reduce the opacity down to 80%. So there you go guys, our flyer is ready. So that's it guys, I hope this video is useful to you. If you like this video, hit the like button. For more Photoshop tutorials, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, take care.